Welcome to the Porphis Support Center. In this video, we're going to walk you through replacing the needle packing nut on the 81 series spray gun. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the fluid adjustment knob. Take out the fluid needle spring, pull out the fluid needle. Use flat nose pliers to remove the circlip. Watch out so it doesn't fly off. Remove the trigger pin with hole. Unscrew the needle packing nut counterclockwise using the hex key. Install the new needle packing nut. Once you feel resistance, tighten it by another 1/4 turn. Reinstall the trigger pin with hole. Reinstall the circlip and make sure it snaps fully into place. Put back the fluid needle, spring, and knob. Gently pull the trigger. If it moves smoothly, you're all set.